Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Stargate token. Now the Stargate token is on the Solana blockchain. Just came out under 24 hours ago. It's already a CTO, a community takeover. They have a huge market cap, gigantic 24-hour trading volume. They're trending number 6 right now on Dex Screener in the Solana section. And this token also just got a very big central exchange listing. And we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on SolScan, Birdeye, Gecko Terminal, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, etc. Right now they have 18,578 holders. Token price is about 1.74 cents per token, 6 decimal places on this token, and their market cap right now is $17,547,900. Huge project, started out with $1 billion total supply. Right now, their total supply is 999,969,649 tokens. And this token was created on pump.fun, a webpage for creating Solana meme coins. And yeah, so you can check out their rug check here. And it says risk analysis good. The biggest pool here, 3% of the tokens is in Radium. And the top holder only has 1.5% of the tokens. So there's no big whales or anything like that on the rug check. So that's good to see that. Now they have a Telegram you could follow, which is at Stargate Soul, that has 824 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, new partnerships, new token listing announcements. And they have a brand new token listing announcement. So it was just announced that this token will be listed January 22nd, which is today, at 8:30 a.m. UTC time, which is already passed. So this token will be listed on Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Stargate, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now, Stargate, all one word, is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. This token is up 8,112% today. Huge project. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $184.2 million. Super huge project, over 240,400 transactions today. Now they have $1 million worth of liquidity in Radium, and according to Dex Screener, 99.97% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So if you wanted to get this token in a decentralized way, you can get it off of Radium. First of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Radium, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here. This is their new community takeover Twitter. At Stargate CTO, and you would use that contract address right there that ends in pump and trade your Sol for the Stargate token. You can see their Twitter joined in December 2024, 1,706 followers, 45 tweets, and they have a link to their Telegram right there. Now, you probably won't have to set slippage, but you will have to pay a little bit of gas fees when buying tokens off of Radium, so just be aware of that. Now, they're trending number 6 right now on Dex Screener. The token pair was just created 18 hours, 25 minutes ago on Radium. And right now they have 2,073 pooled Sol in Radium, which is equivalent to 31,665,000 pooled Stargate tokens. And there is 5 different liquidity providers for this token. Now it says, community takeover, a community claimed ownership for this token yesterday, January 21st. It says, me and my team have just recently CTO'd this coin. You can see we ran it up from $500,000 to over $6 million. I have provided the new contract, socials, and content. Please update, it says. Now, it says, the initiative, Openai, Oracle, and SoftBank are planning to form a new joint venture called Stargate. So it looks like maybe the president, the new president, Mr. Donald Trump, was talking about this project, this venture called Stargate. And so somebody created a meme coin based off of that. Now you can see in the on the Twitter right there, they're claiming it says #1 AI meme coin that's backed by the president. Now, I would take that with a grain of salt. I'm not sure if this token specifically is even backed by him at all. I'm assuming the venture capital thing, maybe he mentioned it, and then somebody created a meme coin based off of that. So I always take these statements here with a grain of salt, because they're probably implying the project Stargate, the venture, is backed by him and not the meme coin. So it says their mission is to achieve AI meme dominance. And looks like this token here also just got listed on Mexc Global as well. So you could check out the Coinex Global and the Mexc Global referral codes down there in the description box. That's where you could find the Stargate token. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.